I've met a lot of people that ask me to mentor them or kind of help them out with their business. And the first question that I always ask them is why? Why do they want to be in business? What's their why? And it's amazing because all of them kind of go the same way when they first answer it. A lot of them go through that, oh, I want to be independent. Oh, I want to make a lot of money. Oh, I think I should be in business. But that's not the why I'm asking for. If you want to start a business, you need to ask yourself, what is your why? For example, my why for this business that I actually started is I actually have two special needs kids. I wanted to provide a place of employment for my special needs kids. So if something happened to me and my spouse, that they will still be able to have an income. That's my why. So I've then gone back to them and asked them, okay, what is your why? Because your why is actually important because your why is going to be the thing that's going to drive you in your business to keep it going. Because let me tell you, it's not fun. There's going to be times that you ask yourself, why am I even doing this? But if you have a strong enough why of why you're doing it, you will actually keep on up with your business. Because your why is the thing that's going to keep you motivated when money's not coming in the door. So if you're going to start a business, really, really, really think to yourself, what's your why? What's your why? If your why is just because I want to be independent and make a lot of money, don't go in business. Because let me tell you, you're going to actually work harder than you probably did at a 9 to 5. A lot of times you're actually going to make less than the employees are actually working for you because you need to make sure they get paid before you get paid, or you want to have people to actually work your place and that your bills get paid. So it's not all fun and glamorous in the beginning. So you need to make sure that whatever you're doing, that your why is strong enough that's going to carry you through the hard times in your business.